Special education in Nebraska. Parents, you are your child's biggest advocate. So, what are your rights in regards to special education? Parents, you have the right to make important decisions and take certain actions on behalf of your child and your children. In order for kids to be successful, we must remove all barriers. Some language you might see in this process is Part B, procedural safeguards, IEP, individualized education plan. MDT, multidisciplinary team, and NDE Rule 55 is your right to due process. So what are your rights as a parent whose child is on an IEP? Parents, you have the right to request or deny an evaluation at any time. You have the right to be notified in writing when a district proposes any changes to your child's plan. You have the right to receive all documentation in your native language. You also have the right to advocate for your child in each step of the process, and the right to be heard and the right to due process. Parents, it is important to understand the special education processes. Step 1, your child is showing delays and is referred for testing. The evaluation must be complete within 45 calendar days. Consent means that parents are fully informed of the information and that you understand and agree in writing to carrying out the activity. Team members include principals, teachers, sped teachers, parents, and support staff. And when appropriate, the child themselves can be a part of these meetings. Step 2, your child is tested and identified as having a disability. This is in the MDT meeting. Step 3, an individualized plan is developed to support your child. This is the IEP meeting. IEP meetings must be held within 30 calendar days of the MDT meeting. Target goals are set and accommodations are put in place for students. Parents, don't be in the dark and ask questions and seek out answers. It takes a village, and we are all working together to support your child. Please contact your school principal if you have any questions. For further information about your parental rights, feel free to look up the Department of Education Parental Rights.